Most people still use ChatGPT just for questions. But by the end of this guide, you will use it like a power user. Memory, projects, deep research, apps, voice, and more, step by step on the real interface. Let's go beyond the basics.
The beginner asks a question and takes the answer. The power user makes ChatGPT remember context, work on documents, research the web, run tasks, and connect apps. Same account, same price, different results. Here is the roadmap.
First, memory. ChatGPT now remembers useful context from your chats, files, and connected apps automatically. Open settings, then personalization, then memory. The memory summary shows what ChatGPT remembers, and you can correct anything by highlighting it. Remember, deleting a chat does not delete the memories it created.
Next, custom instructions. In personalization, enable customization and type how you want ChatGPT to respond. Free and Go plans hold 1,500 characters, and Plus and Above hold 5,000. Then pick a tone under Base Style and Tone, Professional, Friendly, or Candid.
The change applies to every chat instantly.
Projects keep long-running work in one place. Click New Project, give it a name and an icon, add files, add project instructions, and start chats inside the project. Project-only memory keeps the context inside. You can even share the project, and collaborators get edit or chat access.
Canvas is a workspace for co-writing and editing. It opens automatically for longer content, or use the Open in Canvas button, the toolbox, or the Canvas command. Edit text directly. Add final polish. Adjust the length. Export as PDF, Markdown, or Word.
Note, Canvas may not be available with the newest default models.
Deep Research does the reading for you. Type Deep Research or pick Deep Research from the Tools menu. Review the research plan, then start. ChatGPT browses sources for 5 to 30 minutes and returns a cited report with a table of contents.
Check your remaining uses in the counter. Free gets 5 a month, plus 25 Pro 250.
ChatGPT Work is the agent for long. Multi-step tasks, rolling out to paid plans, Plus and Above. If you don't see the work toggle, check your plan.
On the desktop app, choose ChatGPT or Codex from the top left menu, then switch between Chat and Work at the top of the page. Work researches, analyzes, and creates documents, spreadsheets, and reports while you watch and approve.
Scheduled tasks run on their own. Open the scheduled page in the sidebar. Create a task and pick a time or a window like morning or evening. ChatGPT confirms with a task card. It runs automatically, and you manage everything from the same page. Tasks are available on Plus and Above.
Codex writes and ships code. It is included in every plan, even free. On the desktop app, select Codex from the top left menu. Or install the CLI, npm install -g OpenII Codex. Then run Codex, sign in with ChatGPT, and start typing tasks.
Over 5 million people use it every week.
Apps connect ChatGPT to the tools you already use. Open the plugins directory, find the app, and select Connect, or just name the app in your message. Spotify, make a playlist for my party this Friday. Canva, Figma, Notion, Gmail, Photoshop, over 70 Adobe tools connect in minutes.
Voice mode makes ChatGPT hands-free. Tap the voice icon, choose one of 9 voices like Arbor or Maple, and start talking. Love Voice runs on GPT Live 1, and it can show visual results as you speak. On mobile, Advanced Voice can share your camera or screen.
Better prompts, better answers. OpenAI's own advice. Write clear instructions, give context and examples, split big tasks, and let the model think. A popular framework, RISC-E, stands for Role, Instructions, Context, Constraints, and Examples. Use Instant for speed, thinking for hard problems.
Custom GPTs are your own versions of ChatGPT. Open Explore GPTs, select Create, and choose the Conversational Builder or Configuration view. set the name, description, and instructions. You can even publish it to the GPT store. Building requires a paid plan. Free users can use GPTs, not build them.
Limits still exist, but they changed. Free accounts now get unlimited everyday text chats. Each tool has its own limit, and ChatGPT notifies you when you reach one. The classic message, "You've reached our limit of messages per hour. Please try again later."
Waiting resets it, or upgrading resets it instantly.
Here is the full toolkit. Memory, custom instructions, projects, Canvas, deep research, work tasks, Codex, apps, voice, and your own GPTs. One privacy tip in settings, data controls: turn off improve the model for everyone. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy prompting.